In the 2019 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, bed liner, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, 4-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, tires front all season. Your new ride is just a phone call away.